Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another One Frame with me. We're going to do a quick edit here. This time I'm going to jump into VSCO. I already have my photo that I want to use. Actually, no, I do, but let me bring back in the one I converted. It was raw, and then I brought it into Snapseed and just quickly did some simple adjustments. Nothing too much, just to export it out as a JPEG, because VSCO on the Android doesn't do RAW, which I think you can on the iPhones. But anyways, I already have a filter that I want to use here in VSCO. I want to use their AL official, which is, I think stands for like artificial light or something. I'm quite, ooh, I already love the A2. That looks awesome. These are kind of like designed for enhancing light in a sense, especially LEDs and fluorescent lights and stuff of that nature. That actually looks really cool. It's in between the two and in between this one. You know what? Let's go with it too. I'm gonna jump in here. Okay, and let's do a quick. I'm gonna leave it at full. I'm also going to adjust. I know there has been some upgrades in VSCO. There is a split tone option and a tone, which is fantastic. I can control the highlights. You can see they're a little bit bright here, and I can knock them down a little bit, get more details out of them. Same with the shadow here. But let's see, the shadow, I just want enough shadow. Actually, I think I might crush the shadows just a little bit. That looks good. Split tone is a new tool here. I can change the highlight color. A little bit something warmer, pinkish, green, blue, but I don't want to use the highlight ones. I actually want to use the shadow, and I'm going to go ahead and give the shadow a little bit of this teal look, and let's bring that all the way down, and let's just give it a little bit of a blue like that. I'm loving it. From there, I'm going to go ahead and jump into my contrast, crank that up, get a nice dark light. I just want to have my bike being silhouetted. And let's see, adjustments. I think we can make a quick little adjustment here. It looks like it is a little bit off on the bottom. I think that might be a little bit straighter. Let's save that. Yep, that looks good. Sharpening, don't really need to, just let's see the difference. Ooh, let's give that about half then. Right about there. That did make a difference. Let's go ahead and desaturate this also a little bit. Let's see if I go all the way down. Let's just all the way up. Let's go about right there. White balance, I'm not gonna mess with that. Fade, not really gonna mess with that. Let's see here. I'm not gonna get into that right now. I think I'm liking this. I'm gonna keep it easy and simple. Let's go ahead and save that. I'm gonna go ahead and export this. You see, I had another one that I was working on there, but I didn't turn off my screen, my blue light screen filter. I run a blue light screen filter to keep me from staying up late at night on this. So I was editing with that on, and that totally affects the colors because it kills the blues. Up and there is my daughter making noise in the background. Let's jump into Oscar, and let's see here. Hello, mamas. Hello. Hello. Okay, I'm going to jump into Oscar here. Quickly bring this in. Frame it up here. I'm just looking about right in between there. Loving it. Let's kill the subtitle. We don't need the subtitle. I mean, some of you may like it. I don't use the subtitle. Cancel that, actually. And I want to go ahead and let's save that photo saved. Bada bing. And let's see what we got. Just a quick little edit here. Jump down to Oscar, load that up, and boom. Quick and easy, guys. Just a little quick edit in VSCO. Also, keep an ear out. I have another video coming out this weekend. I'm going to be trying out a new gimbal, the Moza Air gimbal. And also going to be, actually I'm testing out a new microphone system for the cell phones. I'm using one right now. I'm using the Samsung Go mobile microphone setup, which is pretty cool. I'm going to get into a review on that too as I use it. But just a quick edit. Hope you guys enjoy. Patrick LeVar, IGTV. Don't forget to follow also on YouTube. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Have a good one. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? No? Okay.